What is Morse code? Morse code is a writing system used to transmit long-distance telegraph messages. Morse code is a difficult language to learn. That said, it's important to know the grammar rules. Each letter contains a succession of elements. The point is equal to the lowest unit of time, 1 second. The line lasts 3 seconds, that is 3 points. To separate one letter from another, a space of silence equivalent to 3 points is left. The distance of the word is 5 to 9 seconds.
The idea of creating Morse code came to Samuel Morse in 1135. Later, with the help of Yelena Vergara and Anthonny Collahuazo, they began in 1832 and 1837 to modify a transistor to pass Morse code there. And finally, in 1837, Morse code was already formed. And in 1838, they showed it to the Scientific Commerce in Philadelphia, and in 1843, the United States Congress gave $30 to build electrical wire lines throughout Baltimore and Washington to test Morse code. In 1844, he transmitted the first public message between the two cities. Since everything was a success, Morse code was kept as a remote communication system. But in 1848, Germany changed a few things from the original code, and in 1865, this modification was accepted in Europe, and in 1912, it was accepted internationally. And today, almost 2 decades after its invention, it is still in force, and there are large companies that continue to use it, such as Google.
In 1837, Samuel Morse and Alfred Bell were working on an electric telegraph system. Morse developed a first version of his code in 1837 to send numbers, which were sent to be converted into complete messages using a keybook. Morse recognized the usability of this system and patented it along with the electric telegraph. It was known as American Morse code and used in the first telegraph transmission.
Utility and kitting. Thus, from its inception, the telegram serves the practical ends of social life. For example, in 1842, birds men who were experimented with a telegram model meant to transmit a message, to which the police captured a criminal who was thief and a train. These news are public interest and favored opinion towards the invention.
The definition of Morse code today. Morse code today dominates more in areas of aviation and aeronautics for self-help navigation, VOR, and individual systems still use Morse code. Additionally, Morse code is a useful tool for people with communication disabilities or impaired communication due to stroke, heart attack, or paralysis. The healing process of people with communication problems who have been able to communicate thanks to the moment of their eyes in Morse.
The following words are written in Morse code. B is written hyphen period. G is don't written dash. K is written hyphen period. R is written point.
You can translate this phrase into Morse code. What are you waiting to learn Morse code? Go!